If you've been searching for a gaming monitor in 2026, there's a good chance you've come across the AOC Q27G42X, because honestly, on paper, this monitor looks really impressive for the price, especially with features like Habrihi Bambi's response time high, refresh rate and 1440p resolution. But a lot of people are asking the same question: what's the catch? So in this video, I'll give you an honest AOC Q27G42XE review for 2026, including gaming performance display, quality pros, and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. First, let's talk about the specs, because honestly, this is what grabs attention immediately. The monitor offers 27-inch display QHD or 1440p resolution, gaming-focused refresh rates, and ultra-fast response time claims. And honestly, that combination is very attractive for gamers right now, especially people upgrading from 180p monitors, older 60Hz displays, or budget gaming setups. Now let's talk about the 1ms response time claim, because this is where many people get confused. Manufacturers often advertise 1 response time, but honestly, real-world performance can depend heavily on settings, overdrive modes, and panel behavior. So yes, the monitor is definitely fast for gaming, but sometimes ultra-aggressive response settings can introduce things like ghosting, overshooter visual artifacts, and honestly, this is common across many gaming monitors, not just AOC. Now let's talk about gaming experience, because honestly, this is where the monitor shines most. The combination of high refresh rate, low latency, and 1440p resolution creates a much smoother experience compared to standard office monitors, especially in games like FPS shooters, racing games, sports, and competitive multiplayer titles. Now, another huge advantage: 1440p resolution, because honestly, many gamers now see 1440p as the sweet spot. In 2026, it looks noticeably sharper than 1080p, without being as demanding as 4K gaming, and honestly, that balance is why QHD monitors became so popular. Now, let's talk about color and image quality. AOC gaming monitors usually focus more on gaming speed than professional color accuracy. But honestly, for most casual users, the display still looks vibrant, sharp, and modern, especially for gaming videos and everyday use. Now let's talk about the possible catch, because honestly, budget-friendly gaming monitors often involve compromises somewhere. Depending on the model and panel, some users may notice things like average HDR performance, limited brightness, basic speakers, or plastic-heavy build quality, and honestly, this is usually how manufacturers keep pricing competitive now. Another important thing, your PC matters too, because honestly, high refresh rate 1440p monitor only feels fully worth it if your computer can actually push high frame rates, especially in modern games. Now, let's talk about who this monitor is best for. Honestly, it makes the most sense for gamers, sports players, students, and people wanting a smooth gaming upgrade without spending premium flagship prices, especially users moving up from older 1080p displays or 60Hz monitors. Now, let's be honest for a second, many gaming monitors advertise huge specs today. But honestly, real experience matters more than marketing numbers alone. And overall, the AOC Q27G42XE seems focused on giving fast gaming performances, smooth visuals, and strong value for the price. So is there a catch? Honestly, mostly the usual compromises you see in mid-range gaming monitors: not perfect HDR, not premium build quality and response time marketing that can sound more dramatic than real-world usage. But overall, for many gamers in 2026, it still looks like a very solid gaming monitor option.